Inverurie Loco Works F.C. Inverurie Loco Works Football Club are a part-time senior professional football club from Inverurie, Aberdeenshire, Scotland, who currently play in the Scottish Highland Football League SHFL. The club was founded in 1903 by workmen from the Great North of Scotland Railway GNSR who had their locomotive and carriage and wagon workshops in Inverurie, hence from where the football club got its name. On National Railway Company grouping in 1923, the GNSR became part of the London and North Eastern Railway, one of the UK Big Four railway companies at that time, and the football club lived on. The Locomotive Workshops themselves were formally closed in 1970 on the forming of British Rail Engineering Limited (BREL), a wholly owned subsidiary of the British Railways Board at that time. Despite the closure, Inverurie Loco Works F.C. continued to play. Having competed in the Aberdeenshire and North East Junior Leagues for many years, they became a senior club in 2001 when their application to join the SHFL was successful. History: rising up from successful years in junior football, in 2001 the Locos applied for membership of the Highland League and were successful. In the 2003-04 season, the Locos came second in the league. They then went a further 2 seasons in a row in second place. In 2005, they first got their hands on silverware by winning the Scottish Qualifying Cup. They also won the Aberdeenshire Shield after being runners-up 3 times before winning the trophy. Then they won the Foster's Cup League Cup twice in 2 years, in 2007-08 and 2008-09. They also won the SFA North Region Challenge Cup in 2008-09. In the 2008-09 Scottish Cup, the club were paired with Scottish Premier League side Motherwell at home. They reached the 4th round of the competition that season. After 4 postponements, the match was finally played at the 5th time of asking. Despite a capacity crowd watching, the Highland League outfit could not prevent a 3-0 loss to their top-flight opponents. Harlaw Park. Harlaw Park is the Inverurie Loco Works ground. It has a capacity of 2,250 seated. Staff: coaching, manager Andy Lowe. Assistant manager Stephen Park. Head of Youth Development Gary Jamieson. Boardroom: Chairman Mike McAlay. Vice Chairman Graham Hay. Treasurer James Porter. Club Secretary Billy Thompson. Honours: Senior Highland League Cup. Winners: 2007-08, 2008-09 Aberdeenshire Shield. Winners: 2003-04, 2013-14, 2016-17 Scottish Qualifying Cup North. Winners: 2004-05, 2005-06 SFA North Region Challenge Cup. Winners: 2008-09 Aberdeenshire League. Winners: 2018-19, 2019-20. Junior North East Junior League champions 1992-93, 1995-96, 1997-98. Aberdeen and District League champions 16, 1924-25, 1925-26, 1928-29, 1929-30, 1930-31, 1931-32, 1932-33, 1934-35, 1935-36, 1936-37, 1942-43, 1945-46, 1954-55, 1959-60, 1960. North East Regional Cup winners 1995-96, 2001. Aberdeen and District League Cup winners 1927-28, 1928-29, 1929-30, 1931-32, 1945-46. North East League Cup 1986-87, 1988-89, 1991-92. Lemon Cup winners 1928-29, 1951-52, 1968-69. Archibald Cup winners 11, 1928-29, 1932-33, 1937-38, 1938-39, 1939-40, 1954-55, 1960-61, 1961-62, 1968-69, 1980-81, 1999-2000. North Dribble Cup winners 1968-69. Duffy Cup 1928-29, 1932-33, 1933-34, 1935-36, 1939-40, 1960-61. Aberdeen County Trophy 10, 1912-13, 1913-14, 1934-35, 1935-36, 1939-40, 1942-43, 1944-45, 1954-55, 1960-61, 1961-62. Jimmy Gibb Memorial Trophy, 1995-96, 1997-98.